Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So draw a letter W and then you have to make the face of the cartoon character Pooh. Now we have to make the ears, hands and legs of it. Make its t-shirt, make its eyes, nose and the mouth of it like this. Now color it with the red color like this and the yellow color and it's done. Next, draw a circle and then make its ears. Draw its eyes, nose and the mouth of it. Now we have to make its legs like this. Now after that, draw its body. Draw the tail of the kitty like this. Make its hairs. Now we have to color the orange section patches over its body and it's done. Next, draw the lines like this to make the face of the sheep. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth like this. Now after that, you have to make its whole body as shown in the video. Now you have to make its ears, eyes, nose and the mouth like this. Now make its tail, color it and it's done. Next, you have to make a cute puppy. So draw a bone like this. Now you have to make the hands and legs of the puppy like this. Make its ears. Now after that, we have to make the ears of it. Make its legs like this and then you have to complete its body. Make the eyes patch like this and it's done. Next, draw two circles. Write 6, 6 and 6 on the white sheet and then join the lines to make the body of the snake like this. So now at the end, make its cute tail, make its tongue like this, make the patterns over its body like this and your snake is ready. Don't forget to color it with the green color and it's done. Next, you have to make the digit 500 on the white sheet. Now join the lines like this. Make the ears of the dog, make its eyes, nose and the mouth of it like this. Now after that, you have to complete its body, make its legs and make the tail on the back of it like this and color it and it's done. Next, draw two circles. Make its eyes. Complete its body like this. Make its body, make its legs and then you have to draw its legs like this in the front and the back as well. Now after coloring, you have to give the finishing touch to it like this and it's done. Next, we have to draw the face of the bunny. Make its ears. Now make its hands and then its legs. Now join the lines. Now after that, make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now after that, make a heart shape like this. Now make its ears like this and color the heart with the red color and it's done. Next, we have to make a wolf. So make the ears of it like this and then after that you have to make the eyes, ears and the face of it. Now after that we have to complete its body, make its legs like this and then after that we have to make its tail. Now after that you have to color it and it's done. Next, write 600 on a white sheet. Join the lines to complete its face. Make its ears, eyes, nose and the mouth. Now after that, join the body to make the full legs and hands of it. Make its tail on the back, color it and your bunny is ready. Next, you have to make the ears of it and then make its face. Now complete its body, make its hands and legs like this. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth of it like this. Now you have to draw the circle and the lines on the sides and it's done. Make its tail on the back, color it and your bunny is ready. Next, we have to make an elephant. So write a tree and then make the ears of it. Now you have to make the trunk of the elephant. Now you have to make its eyes, nose and the mouth of it like this. Now draw its legs as shown in the video and then make its tail on the back. Now after that, draw the lines like this and it's done. Thanks for watching.